I think Buckingham Murders was a very brave film because it's a film that we set out to do, which would be very true to its, its ethnicity, its authenticity. We wanted to like shoot the film in a small town in England, and it was a story about that. But the way Hansal wanted to shoot it, we were like, we can't have people speak in Hindi, the local people living there. So we said, let's make a Hindi and English and a Hinglish film, but let's stick to, its truest form. So somehow I just wanted to do it. I thought after 25 years, if it's not now to experiment and do something different, it's going to be never. And I've always actually tried to do that with films like Chameli and Dev, very early on in my career. So it's no different now that on its 25th year, if, I wouldn't want to do something different. Because every other film, the commercial genres like The Crew and Singham and everything is so much a part of my DNA, and it's always going to be a part of me. And, that's going to be life. But I also want to do things and try out different things, sometimes as an actor as well. So it's important to strike that balance, and I'm happy I've done that because, people are watching that version of the film, of the English film, and loving it. So it's a sense of, it's a good feeling to know that, okay, people will go to brave out different films as well.
Which is the film you've seen most, your own film? Maximum rewatches or...
Oh God, I don't know. Maybe it would be, I think, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham. I think just as half the world has, I think I'm pretty much a fan of that film as well because, I love the idea of family, tradition, just that warmth. It gives you that warm feeling. I think that's what everyone kind of loves. And that's why it's, I think, one of the most loved films also. अगर एक्टर्स ब्रेव चॉइसेस नहीं ले पाते हैं और अलग फिल्म्स नहीं कर पाते हैं तो आई थिंक दे कांट जस्ट बी नोन एज कि अगर मैं जिंदगी भर सिंघम और क्रू में काम करूँ तो आई थिंक वो यू ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू डू थिंग्स डिफरेंटली वो टू लास्ट 25 years एक ही टाइप की फिल्म में हम नहीं काम कर सकते हैं अलग अलग फिल्म काम करने में वो एक लॉन्जेटिविटी एक रास्ता देता है ऑक्सीजन टैंक जैसे बनता है. And I think for a film like, when Chameli, I did it in my career at the age of 22. I think nobody thought. तब सब कह रहे थे कि नहीं करीना नहीं कर पाएगी ऐसी टाइप की फिल्म. And for that time, it did so well. So I think that at this stage in my career, it's also important कि अलग-अलग किरदार करना ज़रूरी है कि करीना ये भी कर सकती है वो भी कर सकती है एट द सेम टाइम गीत जैसे रोल्स ही नहीं कर सकती हूँ मैं आई कांट ओनली कीप डूइंग गीत ऑल माई लाइफ जैसे मैंने कहा कि आधी जिंदगी ऐसी ही चली गई पहले 10 साल के लोग समझते थे ये गीत ही है अब ये पूर्ण टाइप की रोल्स तभी तो पीपल वर जस्ट ऑफरिंग मी दोज काइंड ऑफ रोल्स तो अगर इफ आई हैड पिक्ड एवरी रोल लाइक दैट आई थिंक आज ये फेस्टिवल नहीं होता क्योंकि वो रोल would not have been part of pop culture. अगले 25 साल करने की ताकत है कि अलग अलग रूट्स कुछ फिल्में 100 करोड़ हो 500 करोड़ हो बट कुछ फिल्में अगर कुछ लोग भी देखे और तारीफ करे आई थिंक वो उससे दिल खुश भी हो जाता है कि ऑडियंस इज देयर टू वॉच दिस काइंड ऑफ फिल्म.